miles per hour. Now, on the phone line, again, I have Lisa Martin. Morning, Lisa.
Hey, morning.
Hey, how's it going out there now?
Good, and it's starting to definitely pick up. We just went out to the ocean front to look at it around 37th Street. There's just 15, 20-foot waves out there.
Wow.
The wind's starting to pick up, and the power lines are starting to play now.
Wow, that's amazing. So right now you're at the Virginia Beach ocean front, huh?
Yeah, we're headed back. It looks like it's starting to it's starting to escalate a little bit. We figure it's better to get around the house so we don't get stuck out.
Yeah, absolutely. Are there still any people on the beach?
Excuse me?
Are there any people on the beach?
No, they're sitting in their cars right up around the boardwalk, just taking a look at it. There's a lot of police officers patrolling out there, and there's also a fire department SUVs out there patrolling.
Gotcha. Is the Virginia Beach Beach Patrol keeping everybody off of the beach, or is the beach still open to some extent?
No, the beach was closed at sunrise this morning.
Okay.
It's definitely illegal to go on the beach right now. Like I said, there's a lot of police officers at the beach accesses to enforce that rule. Probably a good idea to stay off the beach and away from the boardwalk. The wind's whipping down there quite a bit. There's a lot of sand getting thrown up. I
imagine that could be a disorienting thing if you get hit in the eyes with 70-mile-an-hour sandblasts or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's the word for you? Are you going to have to go to the Hampton Fire Department today?
Yeah, we're actually going in. We're actually going in the morning. They're going to give us a break. The guys are going to ride the storm out this evening, and then we'll take over for them tomorrow morning about 8 o'clock.